Hello. Yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name's to me the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, the co-founder of Rondo Technology Company. Yeah. So welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here we'll talk about how to make money online, how to start your dollar arbitrage, and how to start growing your account. So today I want to show you how you can grow your trading account or crypto trading accounts from $0 to $1,000 within 14 days. Yeah, so if you follow this step very well, you'll get what I'm trying to say. So when you want to start with cryptocurrency trading, like we have Ramitano, XNES, Binance, Trust Wallet, Paxful. So you can download all these things first. Yeah. So from today to the 14 days, I will show you how we can make money on this platform. So the first one we're using today is Binance and XNES. Yeah. So let me open my Binance and let me show you how we can make money on this platform and how we can build our accounts from $0 to $1,000 without any stress. That's what we'll be doing today. Yeah. So today's rate of the USDT to Ghana cedis is less. USDT to let's check on the P2P market and see. So right now, if you have 3.44, you can buy one USDT, and Naira is now out. Let them for you to see. Naira is now out. Naira is out. So CFE. So let me search for the card and see. Currency. So if you have one Canadian dollar, is equal to, if 1.37 Canadian dollar, you can buy one USDT. Yeah. So let me focus on Ghana cedis right now. Yeah. So if you have 13.43, you can buy one USDT. So let me show you the mathematical and economical way that you can use it to build your account from $0 to $1,000 within 14 days. Yeah. So when you come to the platform, you see we have many ways to make money on this platform, and because you are a beginner, maybe you don't know how you can deposit money in the account, or you can sell, when to sell and when to buy. So let me take my time and teach you all these things. So when you open the account and verify everything finished, this is how the account is. So before you can deposit money in the account, you have to go to your wallet. Here is your wallet, and you go to deposit. If you come to deposit, we have BTC, that is Bitcoin. We have USD, that's dollars. We have USDT, that's what dollars, coins, that's Tetra. It's written. Yeah, and you have BNB. So if you click on it, then you choose any of this thing. But defaultly, we mostly use TRC20. Then you copy your address and you go to the platform that you want to deposit money in account, you use it. Yeah. So that's the other way of doing this thing. And we also have a way of buying USDT. If you have Ghana cedis in your account, you just have to go to your trade and go to P2P. This P2P. So if you come to P2P, you see that we have buy and sell. So if I have Ghana cedis, I have 13.44, and I'm saying that I'm buying, that means I'm buying one USDT for 13.44. So let's assume 13.44 times, let's say I want to buy 100 USDT. So 13.44 times, if I want to buy 1,000 USDT, 1,000, it means that I'm spending 13,440 Ghana cedis for 1,000 USDT. I hope you understand. It means that if I'm spending 13,440, it means that I'm getting what? 1,000 USDT. Yeah. So imagine I have bought this thing. So right now the rate is for 13.44. So last month it shoots to 13.94, 14.1 and things, and it's now down. So if you want to build your account, or if you want to grow your account, the first step that you have to use. We have 4 steps, and I will be showing you all these 4 steps right now. So the first step that you have to use is buying your cryptocurrency or your crypto coin at the right time. That's the first step. Buying your cryptocurrency at the right time. You see that thing? So if I say that you have to buy the cryptocurrency at the right time, what am I trying to mean? I'm trying to tell you that don't buy your cryptocurrency at the higher rate and expect it to shoot to top, because recently the highest the USDT went to was 14.01. So let's assume that the USDT is 14 and you're trying to buy it. For you to sell it at, let's say, 14.40 or 50, it can take you 1 year or some months. So you have to know when you're ready, or when you want to buy the USDT at the right time and sell it at the right time. So if I see that you have to buy it at the right time, what I'm trying to mean is that right now it's the right time for you to buy, because if we do a calculation for the past months up to now, we can see that right now the USDT is decreasing. So it means that if you buy it now and wait for some weeks, it can shoot to the top. So it means that you can build your account from scratch to top to make profits. So let me show you something. So I spent 13,440 on what? On 1,000 USDT. Let's do this calculation. 1,000 USDT. And if it shoots to, let's say, 14,000. So this one is 1,000. This one is 13,440. So you write somewhere. This one you have to have maths background and economic background, or else you'll be doing silly thing. 13.440. So it means that this is the money I spent on what? On 1 USDT. This is the money I spent on 1 USDT. That's for 13.440, and I got 1,000 USDT. So right now it means that I have 1,000 USDT over here. So if I'm selling this 1,000 USDT, I have to make more than 13.440. You understand? I have to make more than 13.440. So if I go here, the sell, and I'm here to sell it. I have to sell it more than what? I have to earn more than 13,440 to 1,000 USDT. So it means that 1 USDT, since I bought 1 USDT at 13.4, I have to sell it more than 13.4. So let's assume that I'm selling it at 13.90 in some days to come. 13.90 in some days to come. So let's go to the calculator and let me do it. 13.90 times 1,000. 13.90 times 1,000. I have what? I have 13,900. 13,900. So 13,900 minus 13 points and 13,900 13,900 minus 13,440. So it means that per $1,000 I have 460 Ghana cedis on it. If I sell it 13.90. So let's assume that it should to 14. So it means that 10,000, I'll get 14,000 minus 13,440. I have 560 per $1,000. That's my profit. Is that thing? Yeah. So this 555, this 50, this 50. Imagine I invested $10,000. Imagine. You see, I have 5,600 as profit. So that's how it is. So this one is another way of what building your profits from $0 to $1,000 within 14 days. You just have to know when to buy the USDT at the right time and when to sell it at the right time. You see, and we also have some platforms that you can buy your USDT at let's say at a lower rate and come to Binance and sell it at a higher rate. So example is Remitano. So tomorrow that's where we'll be going, Remitano and things. Yeah. And Xnest too. And you'll be selling at Paxful too. Yeah. So I want you to get familiar with Binance, and after that you go to all these things. Yeah. So this is how you do your buy to sell. So okay, right now I have some small coins over here. So let me try and sell it for us to see something. So have you seen this? So imagine I bought this $26 at the rate of let's say 12 or 13, and I'm selling it at 13.40. I'm making profits. So I'll just go to trade P2P and sell. And because this one I transferred this money from Xnest to Binance. So if I go to here, let me search for a best. So this person. So before you jump straight to a trade with some people, this is what you have to check: the quantity, limit, and the money involved. So this person is selling is ready to buy one USDT from me at 13.40, but his limit is from 500 Ghana cedis to 4,000, and the money I'm selling is not out of 500 Ghana cedis. The quantity is worth 90,000 plus. So I'll go down and search for someone who have. So you'll be searching. So I'm going, and I'm still got 26 for under 300 cedis going. So you have to search and search. Okay, this person is buying it from 80 Ghana cedis, 5,000 Ghana cedis, 13.30. The rate is not cool, but I'm just buying for you to see. Yeah, for story's sake. Yeah. So when I come here, so the person limit is from 6 USDT towards 375. So I have 26. I think 26 here. So everything that they say insufficient balance. So all I have to do is add funds, transfer. I have money in my account though, but the money is in my spot wallet. One thing, if you transfer money from other crypto wallet to Binance, it will fall under your fiat or spot wallet. So it's you have to transfer the money from your fiat wallet to your funding wallet. So I'll go to the P2P again, and I'll choose sell. Then I'll search for my limits. Yeah, this one from 10,000, from 80 to 82,000. So this one's ATM money. I don't have ATM money. This person mobile money. Yeah, so enter 26. So if I'm selling 26 cedis to this person, it means that I'm getting 345 Ghana cedis. So in this place, you have to be vigilant or you end up losing your money to fraudsters. Yeah, so I'll click on sell now. So check it. So watch how I'm doing it. So right now, the price rate is 13.30. So it means that the money I'll be getting is what? 345 Ghana cedis. Yeah. So if you're using phone, it will come like this. But if you're using laptop, the chat, you'll see the chat. But so I'll click on the chat. Have you seen the chat? So the person last seen was 12 minutes ago. So it means that the person is not online. Damn. So state your Momo name and SIM type, agent or subscriber. So I'll say my Momo name is what? Bill Evans. Bill Evans and subscriber. So that thing. Yeah. I wish that they say, well, please do not release crypto before confirming the money available balance has arrived. So at times some people, they will pressure you. They will give you pressure. They will give you pressure. Like, yo, you have sent the money to you, so release the cryptocurrency, blah, 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 blah. Don't mind them. Check your wallet and see that the money have reflected in your account before you release the cryptocurrency. So right now I'm expecting 345. And one thing about this is what the pending payment. It's like the person have 30 minutes to make the payment. So if the 30 minutes reach and the person don't make the payment, it will cancel and you can jump straight to another market. But if it's not cancel, you can't change or you can't jump straight to another market again unless it's cancelled. Yeah. And at times too, you know one thing, you can cut your phone can switch off and the person will make the payment. That one there. So you have to always make sure that you are available. Yeah, so I'm waiting for the person to make the payment, and this is how it is. So if you receive the payment, you have to check *170# to check whether the money have reflected in the account before you make your payment. That's how it is. Yeah. So I think I'll end here, and tomorrow I'll continue from here and show you the rest. So we are in the journey from building accounts from $0 to what 14, from $0 to $1,000. So thank you for watching me, and I'm out.